Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM. And today I have this, something different, a 2000 Toyota Landcruiser. My manager asked me, Tom, why are we selling Toyota Landcruisers at MGM? And to be honest with you, when this particular SUV came out, I owned one from day one. I love that damn thing. I'm sorry for saying that word damn. There I said it again. I loved it. And I test drove this thing and it drives like it's brand new. And I'm going to go for a test drive and I want you guys to check it out and see how it, just see the motions on it. But it's a 4-owner, clean Carfax reports. Just beautiful. I mean, it's just nice. It's nice all around. Body, paint, it's got leather interior. Just super, super clean. Guy took care of it. Previous 4 owners took care of it. You got the hitch in the back. I mean, just look how clean this thing is. Look at this. I mean, you have to agree with me, okay? If you need me to put the TVs in the back headrest, we can do that. But a lot of kids are on their iPads anyway. Why waste your money? Look at the passenger side. Original manual in here. I took pictures of all of that. Just clean. Clean and reliable. The engine compartment is super clean. Let me pop that open for you guys. I want you guys to check that out. But let's check out the driver's side here. Look at that door panel. Isn't that clean? Nice sunroof. Look how well taken care of this is. So some information, I pulled the Carfax report here, guys. Four previous owners. Owner number 1 here. Sold brand new at Leah Toyota in New York. And then from there, it stayed in New York. Okay. Stayed in New York, and then the title was updated with a renewal. Okay, and then second owner here in Massachusetts. As you can see, vehicle maintenance properly serviced over in Toyota. And then Toyota just continued to service the vehicle throughout its years. So the people who owned it really, really took care of it. They checked the AC and the heating system. Axles were checked, drivability, performance, parking brake. 60,000 mile service was reported and completed. It did all the rotors in 07. I know it's old, but it's very good history to have when you're buying a used car. All the things, this tells you the story of the car and how well it was maintained. And that's why I told my manager, this is why I'm buying it as well, because of all this good stuff here. I mean, look at all that. All the maintenance properly taken care of. I mean, up to October of 25. And there you have it, guys. Clean Carfax. Now let's go for a test drive. You got all your power windows. On the driver's side, on this, you got the one touch. So if you just hit it once, it goes up all by itself. Okay. Horn functions. You got the lights working. High beams. Okay. You got here power locks. That's the lockout for the power locks. Here's your stereo system. It does function. Okay. You got the wipers. All that works. It's on your controllers here, guys. You got heat, defrost, air conditioning. You got the defrost here. You got your 4x4. You got your hazards and rear for the heat and rear defrost as well. You got the heated seats high, low for both sides here. And here's your power here and then you got your H, N, and L and your transmission with the overdrive button there. And then for your Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Airbag there. Up here you got your compass, and in here I believe that's for your glasses, and you got your sunroof there, guys. That does slide open automatically, as you can see, and it does have the tilt as well. Okay, we're gonna go for a test drive, guys. All right, phone is mounted, camera is mounted, belts are on, and we are off to the races, guys. Wanted to let you guys know that MGM Classic Cars is here in Addison, Illinois at 150 South Church Street. It's getting a little dark here. To the right here is our service department. We service all our vehicles, and our detail shop, and we detail all our vehicles. So we do all our reconditioning in this building with our own employees. We don't subcontract. We use our own employees here at MGM. All these cars to your right and left are future sales. They need some work or they're sold. Okay. We do have over 200 cars here. All right, let's turn the lights on. There you go. So all the gauges, everything functions on this Landcruiser, guys. Turn signals, everything. This is beautiful for a used. You would never think it's got 176,000 miles. Never. Take advantage of something good, guys. We're not here to deceive you by any means. Be careful when you're buying cars out there. A lot of people, they're lying. I'm telling you everything about this thing. Truthfully, I would honestly sell this car to my family members. I mean, I know I'm not going to get any issues or any complaints. This thing drives going down the road smooth like it's day one, and I'm not joking. Underneath this thing has been undercoated, and that's what preserved this SUV. Is that? So someone really, in the past 4 owners, really took care of this thing. Usually a 2000 model year would have, 10, 12 owners. But not this one. So whoever owned it, the last 4 owners, took care of it and kept it because it's a good SUV. I'm not here to convince you by any chance, by any means, should I say. I'm just here to show you everything and give you my opinion. That's all. All right, we're going to make a right here and we're going to go through the transmission. I mean, look how quiet this thing is going down the road. Anybody who drives this thing will buy it, I'm telling you. So if you're interested, you know our address. We're only 20 minutes from the Chicago O'Hare Airport. If you guys, gals want to fly in, get an Uber, get over here, let's go for a test drive, write the check, or finance, we'll talk about that, and drive it home. Okay? You will be happy with this SUV, I'm telling you. I've been doing this business for 26 years, and there's a reason for that. We're going to head back to the shop here, guys. For those of you who need delivery, okay, you're going to text or call with your zip code. Either way is fine. It's up to you. Send me your zip code. We'll get you a quote for delivery. And I'll leave my number towards the end of the video. We also have great financing available. We have great relations with the lenders. Now you have to have good credit, starting at least a 630 credit score. You will need a minimum of 10% down. So whatever that purchase price you see is the purchase price, okay, the buy it now price, you will need 10% of that. Now, if you wanted to roll in your sales tax and your delivery charges, that's not a problem. That you just got to let your sales rep know, okay? So again, 630, 10% down. All approvals are based off your credit profile, guys. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you want an application, on the upper right-hand corner of our website, click the financing tab at mgmclassiccars.com. Okay. I look forward to answering any your questions that you have. And again, if you need delivery, send us your zip code. Okay. The phone number is area code 847-848-1850. I'm going to head back to MGM right now. We do specialize in muscle cars, classic cars, but once again, I have a soft heart with these 2000s and this model, Landcruiser and generation. So we're back here. Thanks for watching. My name's Thomas. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.